In this topic, we are going to summarize the prayogas and their conversion. संस्कृते प्रयोगाः त्रिविधाः कर्तरि प्रयोगः कर्मणि प्रयोगः भावे प्रयोगश्चेति. The कर्तरि prayoga is called active voice in English. Karmani prayoga is called passive voice in English. Bhave prayoga, I don't know whether it exists in English language, but it is the name given to bhave prayoga in English is impersonal voice. Now, with respect to tingantas, tinganta kriya padas, we need to follow this table. कर्तरि कर्मणि भावे प्रयोगः तत्र कर्तरि प्रयोगे कर्तुः प्राधान्यं कर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्मणः प्राधान्यं भावे प्रयोगे क्रियायाः प्राधान्यं भवति. कर्तरि प्रयोगे कर्तृपदं प्रथमा विभक्त्यन्तं भवति, कर्मपदं द्वितीया विभक्त्यन्तं भवति, क्रियापदं परस्मैपदिनि आत्मनेपदिनि एव भवति. इत्युक्ते परस्मैपदिनि आत्मनेपदिनि वा भवति. क्रियापदं कर्तृपदम् अनुसरति. कर्मणि प्रयोगे कर्मपदं तृतीया विभक्त्यन्तं भवति, कर्मपदं प्रथमा विभक्त्यन्तं भवति, क्रियापदम् आत्मनेपदिनि एव भवति, कर्मपदम् अनुसरति, मध्ये यकारः भवति कानिचन धातूनां. भावे प्रयोगे तृतीया विभक्त्यन्तं भवति कर्तृपदं, कर्मपदं न भवति, क्रियापदम् आत्मनेपदिनि भवति, प्रथम पुरुष एकवचने एव भवति, मध्ये यकारश्च भवति. The steps in the conversion of the prayogas: identify kartru karma kriya, and when we identify the karma padam, ask the question along with the kartru padam. Kartrupada sahita kriya padam uddishya prashnaha kartavyah. This is an important point to be noted. The answer that you get in Dvitiyanta will be the karma padam. So identify kartru karma kriya padam, and it is better to go from the kriya to the other words. So the first step can be to identify the kriya and then go to kartru and karma. Then identify the prayoga of the given sentence, whether it is sakarmaka kartari, akarmaka kartari, karmani or bhave. 4 types of sentences can be there. If it is sakarmaka kartari, it has to be converted to karmani. If it is akarmaka kartari, it has to be converted to bhave, and vice versa. Identify the vibhakti vachanas of the shabdas and purusha vachana of kriya pada present in the sentence, and parallelly label them word by word. In the third step, when you do the conversion, do only word by word conversion. Don't even think of sentence level conversion. Don't look at other words at all. You should actually put a blinker or what and only see one word at a time. You should analyze the word, whether it is a kartripada, karmapada or a kriya, and we should analyze whether those words are participating in the prayoga conversion. Now there may be a karma visheshana, then it also participates in the prayoga conversion. If there is a kartru visheshana, it participates in the prayoga conversion. However, if there is an avyaya or any other word in any other vibhakti like chaturthi, panchami, shashti, saptami, those words do not participate in the prayoga conversion. They just have to be retained in the same way as it is. This is a very important part when we do the conversion. So when we convert word by word, first thing that we have to analyze is whether the word participates in the conversion. Kartru karma kriya will participate in conversion, and kartru visheshana and karma visheshana will participate in conversion. However, other words do not participate in conversion. So therefore, we have to be very careful when we do the conversion and do only word by word. And when we do the conversion, we should use the tables that have been taught in this class. So this is a suggestion, and the table should be there in your mind. You should be able to reproduce the table yourself without seeing. You should be able to remember this table for the exam, for any exam. Now the same thing is with respect to Taktavatu Pratyaya. We just now studied that. Today we revise that also. In this is a Kridantanam Prayogaha. Here Kartrupadam Karmapadam shall be same in Kartari Prayoga. Kartrupadam is Prathama Vibhakti, Karmapadam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. However, Kriya is Tavatu Pratyanta only. And since it is Kartari, Kriya will follow Kartrupadam. What it follows? It follows the Linga of the Kartrupadam. Because it is Kridanta, it will follow the Linga and Vachana of the Kartrupadam. Karmani Prayoga is Tritiya Vibhaktyantam is Kartrupadam. Karma Padam will be Prathama and Kriya Padam will follow Karma Pada. And it is Ta Pratyanta Shabda. That is what we have to remember. In Bhave, Tritiya Vibhaktyantam Kartrupadam, Karma Padameva na bhavati. Tapratyanta Shabdaha Prathama Vibhaktau Ekavachane Napumsakalinge eva bhavati. Kriya Pradhanyam bhavati. Now this is the summary of the Prayoga chapter. I thought I should share some thoughts with you. One thing is to attend this class and be confident about Prayogas is one thing. But Prayoga is a very important chapter in sentence construction, and mastery of Prayoga depends on few things. One is mastery of the Shabda forms. Suppose there is a Pakshi word is there. If you don't know it is Pakshi, Pakshino, Pakshinaha, then you will have a problem to convert. Then, though the conversion process you know, the knowledge also you should know. You should know the knowledge and you should know the process. So there are these two things you should know. Mastery of the Shabda forms, mastery of the Dhatu forms in Kartari and Karmani. What is Dhatu forms in Karmani? Dhatu forms in Kartari is what we have learned in the Dhatu class, in the Kriya Pada class. Latlakara, Lotlakara, all those Kriya Pada forms that we learned are Kartari forms. Now Karmani forms, I will show you how it can be done after this slide. And mastery of Kridanta forms, the Tavatu Pratyaya, Ta Pratyaya. So if it is, what kind of Dhatu it is, how the forms are there. So mastery of Kridanta forms can be achieved only by doing that Kridanta table project, which I gave to everybody. So request you all to attempt that project and fill that table. There is still time. By 15th April or sometime you can submit that project. Drill work and practice is required for Prayogas. So more practice is required, and that is why we did more of practice in the class itself. I am not sure how many people are doing the exercise sheets. If you are doing the exercise sheets, that is the best part of this class actually, is to do the exercise sheets and practice for yourself. So there are the exercise sheets and answers which are being uploaded, and after this class I spend more than 2 hours to do the exercise sheets for you and see what kind of exercises are given, are taught in the class, what else should be taught. All those things we sit and do this work. We have a team here in Vyoma Labs, and they are all scholars, Vyakarana Shastra scholars. So we all sit together and prepare these exercises and curate these exercises for you, so that the mistakes that occur will occur outside the exam hall and it not in the exam hall. This is for exam going people. The mistakes that occur are only in the initial stages, and you master this slowly and you learn. This is the objective of this class. That is why the exercise sheets is an integrated part of this class. If somebody is not doing the exercises, you are missing 25% of the learning process. That's what I can say. I understand this is a very tough class. This is a very rigorous class. It requires full focus. It requires full commitment. I would request all of you to give that, because that Vyoma Labs team is giving that, and the least that we can expect from students like you is the commitment in doing these exercises and the projects. Now, there were some people asking me about how to learn the Prayoga and master and etc. First, we should do Latlakara Prayoga. First, learn prayogas in Latlakara and then only proceed to the other lakaras. Amongst Kridanta, learn the Tavatu and Tavatta. Always go from simple sentences which has only 3 words and then go to complex sentences. Last but not the least, follow the steps. Do not forget the arrow. It is Rama's arrow and will take you towards destination. It is not the arrow invented by me. It is Rama Bana. Rama Bana will always achieve its target and reach the destination. So it is, you think that it is Rama's arrow and put the arrow when you are doing the conversion in the exam. Don't be overconfident. Oh, I have practiced 50 sentences. I am not going to make a mistake in this sentence. It is like playing cricket. I can give an example. Playing cricket, you can practice 200 balls at the nets and not get out even in one ball. So you have not got out in 200 balls in the nets, but in the match you may get out there is a chance that you may get out in the first ball. But why do we practice? We practice that so that we minimize, we focus, we concentrate, and we get the temperament. We build that character. We build ourselves not to make mistakes. That is why we should practice. Okay, with these thoughts, I want to show you the Excel sheet, which has the project. Let me open this sheet. So the project is like this. So you take and make a list of all the dhatus on the left hand side. The dhatu which is there in the dhatu parichaya, say about 100 dhatus, 20 dhatus, 50 dhatus, how much ever you want to make. You write the Kartari Lakara Prathama Purusha Ekavachana form in Lat Lakara. Like for example, Pibati, Pa Dhatu, Pibati. Kartari Lakara is Pibati. So the form is Pibati, Pibataha, Pibanti, Pibasi, Pibataha, Pibata, Pibami, Pibavaha, Pibamaha. We know that it's a Parasmai Padi Dhatu. Okay. Now the form of this in Karmani Prayoga, Prathama Purusha Ekavachana is Piyate. This we have to note down and make a list of this. So in Karmani, it will become Piyate. So Piyate, Piyate, Piyante, Piyase, Piyathe, Piyadve, Piye, Piyavahe, Piyamahe. Like that we have to practice. So you have practiced Kartari Lakara and Karmani Lakara. So, but at least you should note the first forms in an Excel sheet or in a notebook. Karoti will become Kriyate. Tarati will become Tiryate. Dadati will become Diyate. Yajati will become Ijyate. Swapati will become Supyate. Jayate will become Janyate. Jayate again. Shete will become Shayate. Like this, we can make a list of these dhatus and keep it ready. And once you make the list, this will get impregnated in your mind. It will get embedded in your mind. And okay, this becomes like this becomes like this. You will get a firm understanding. Only when you do this exercise, you will get that understanding. If you don't do this project, you will not get that understanding. And it has to be done by yourself. It has to be like a project, and you should do it yourself. This is do it yourself. Then only it will be. Even if I tell you or teach you how much time, you will forget all this. If you do it yourselves, you will remember this. So I would request all of you to attempt this first for Latlakara. Then you can later fill the table for Lower Telangana. But main thing is for Latlakara, you have to fill. In Tapratya, it is slightly easier. Only in Lakara, Tigantanam Prayogaha, you need to know all this. There also you have to do the Taktan. When you do the Ta and Tavatu forms, you are automatically doing for Kridanta there. So if you do the Kridanta table, Tak, Tavatu, those forms will take care of itself for Prayoga also. So you need not do the another table for Kridantanam Prayoga. Another table is not required. But for Lakara, we require this table. So request you to attempt this table. With this, I finish this class. This table will be uploaded in the course page. Excel, editable Excel will be uploaded. So do it in Excel if you can type. Those who don't know to type and other things have difficulty in typing, you can write in a paper, in a notebook you can write. In a ruled notebook, you can write these forms and keep it for yourself. If you want that to be seen by me, you can send it you can scan that written part and send it in the mail, I won't promise that I will be seeing all these mails before course overs, because full day I am occupied. But I will make sure that somebody in my team looks at it, and if there are mistakes or something needs to be corrected, we will try to point out. This is only for projects and not for exercise sheets, because these projects are very useful and helpful. So people, and there is no compulsion that you should do this project or you should attempt this or anything. There may be constraints from your end regarding time availability, etc., etc. All those things, it is under your control. No compulsion, no, I don't mandate you for doing these projects. But if you do this project or these kind of assignments, tasks, you will master the Prayoga forms.